Okay, so the last hypothesis of Krashen's monitor model is the affective filter hypothesis. Affective. Have you read this term, affective? Affective variables in your previous class, in your previous first semester, affective variables? No? Emotions and feelings, yes. So there are certain things which we in second language acquisition we name them as variables. Variables mean or some aspects in simple language we can say, which are known as affective things that might affect our language learning, and those variables are just like, as you said, feelings, emotions, anxiety, motivation, our attitudes. So according to Stephen Krashen, that affective filters also play an important role in language learning. Just like if we are more motivated, if we are relaxed, if we do not have anxiety, so language learning will be more. On the other hand, just like even now in class, if we just if we do not associate only with language, even with learning, so this makes sense that if you are tired right now, if you are mentally exhausted, if you are not feeling fresh, if you are not motivated, okay, which I think that might be the case. So if you are not motivated, so definitely learning will be less. So this is what, in terms of language learning, Stephen Krashen said that affective filters, they also affect our language learning. So when we are motivated, we are more enthusiastic, we are have motivation to learn the language, so language learning process takes place quickly. On the other hand, if we are not that much interested in language learning, or due to certain reasons we are fatigued, we are tired, we are not relaxed, so all those things, they affect our language learning. So in case of these affective filters, if these affective filters affect us, so what happens? Our mental filters, they get activated. So when we are tired, or when we are in a state of panic also, we are fearful, so we will not learn. Just like you might have noticed, when we are in a fearful state, we are not that much active and alert to learn things. So all these things, they perform the role of a filter, that they stop our language learning, according to Stephen Krashen, all these different affective variables. But on the other hand, when we are relaxed, we are calm, and we are more motivated to learn the language, so these affective filters, they calm down, and then the language learning takes place quickly. So this is affective filter hypothesis. Any question about this?
Like our positive attitude to learn the language.
Yes, exactly. So when we have got positive attitude towards learning a language, we will learn that language more, as compared to if we do not like a language.